Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have got a TikTok account but not sure how to log in, whether you are watching or posting, here's the fastest way to get back in. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your application or any browser you are comfortable with. Navigate to your search engine and go to tiktok.com. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap Login. Now you will see multiple login options. Either use your phone, email or username, your Facebook account, your Google account or other options like Apple or Twitter. For this demo, let's use our email address. Tap on the email/username written over here. Now simply enter your email address. Tap continue. Now a link or code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. You might be asked to complete a CAPTCHA or enter a verification code. Just follow the prompts. Once logged in, your TikTok feed and profile are ready to go. These same steps apply if you're logging in using the TikTok mobile app too. The layout might change slightly, but the options are all there. And that's how you log into TikTok. Simple, right? If you're stuck at any steps, drop your queries below. Don't forget to like and follow for more tech tips. See you on the For You page. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.